Your TQ. Oh, RB gets dusted by Shane. But he gets marshaled quickly by Kellen, so he's still going to be in that 4th spot. So it's calling out front. Cash Money 2nd. Shane 3rd. RB 4th. And it's Boak top 5. RB looking to shot at Shane. Takes a spot. Shane not giving up. Here comes Boak. So battle for 3rd between RB, Shane, and Boak through the 3-pack. Down the back straightaway. Oh, Shane gets loose. Gets in the pipe. Colin and Cash Money's good. Battle for the top spot. Colin and Chris Moore. Losi associated battle through the on-ramp. Working the switchbacks to the left. Through the 3-pack. Dialed. Gotta be there. 130 down, 3:30 to go. Grand Canyon. Cash Money's looking for. Oh, and he gets upside down in the 3-pack. Oh, RB with a problem. Pops a ball cup. And gets back going. Not even going to lose a lap. Good job, Ghetto Jesus. We're going to be there. Grand Canyon be there. 2 down, 3 to go. Cash Money's driving through the smoke. Trying to catch back up to Colin. Shane upside down. That's a battle for 6th spot between Shane and RB. Boak 3rd, Profit 4th, Grozen 5th, Shane 6th, RB 7th, and it's Moose Smith rounding out your field. 2:45 down, 2:15 to go. Race number 7. Pro 4. Pro 4 main event. You guys are next. Have them ready. Pro 4, you guys are next. Who's bumping the music? Oh my good lord. That's loud. $3:15 down, 1:45 to go. Calling out front by 6 seconds over Chris Moore. Boak 6 back from Chris. Grozen in 4th, Profit 5th. And it's Smith, Moose, Shane, RB. Boak on the hunt for Chris Moore. Oh, he puts it upside down. Grand Canyon in 2nd. 4 down and 1 minute to go. Less than a minute. Pro 4, main event. You guys are next. Please have them ready. $30 to go. Pro 4, please come get your transponders if you need them, guys. Pro 4 main event coming up next. That is time. Joe, you're caught at the line. Joe Grozen, you're done. Please pull it off when I call you done. Cash Money's taking second. Cash Money's. You are done. Broack are done. Top 3. So you cross the line, please pull them off, guys. Tater, you're done. Smith, you're done. Profit, you're done. Profit 4th. And that is a race.